Vlog Sprite, Richie Vlogs back here. Welcome to the vlog. I'm standing in the mirror right now. This is what the outfit we're rocking today. We got backpack on, as you already know. You could see in the mirror. Then you know we got the Smile More tank on. So got the Smile More tank. Then we got the red, white, and the blue shorts. I'm throwing these socks on now. About to go. We got the tripod back on, if you can't see. Hey. So yeah, we're about to go out to the air show. We got GoPro, we got all the equipment and everything. The back, Mom, you grabbed a towel for me?
Already did.
Alright, thanks.
Well,
I had the vlog for the
no.
Oh, I forgot to put the mouse back in the refrigerator.
What?
I forgot to put the mouse back in the
Put
refrigerator.
it in now, and make sure it's cat, and I don't want to see it.
Okay. That's a snake. He didn't eat again, so I'm kind of worried. But I'm gonna call Jungle Bob's today to see maybe. It's right here. Got the mouse here. Got the room there. I love that room. I spend a lot of time in there.
You have it closed, right? Alright, I don't want to see it. It's bad enough it's in my refrigerator.
Well, she keeps having dreams about the snake.
It's not funny.
Well, the first night we had him, she had a dream that it got out.
Oh God, Rich, close it.
The other night, it's not gonna come up here, Ma.
No, I don't want to air condition the wrong part of the house. You gotta change your clothes.
Yeah, I have changed the shorts, and this is just gonna be the shirt I wear.
Did you put
No, I'm
deodorant
repping
on?
Smile More.
Did
It
you?
actually fits me now, not like 2 years ago when it didn't fit me.
It was a year ago, wasn't it?
Not 2 years ago.
I think it was 2 years ago.
No, you got it for me Christmas, 2 Christmases ago. So,
Did you put deodorant on? 'Cause I don't smell it.
yes, I put deodorant on. I'm trying to think what I said. Oh, so yeah,
Shoes. What shoes are you putting on your feet?
I'm gonna put the black ones on her now.
Why don't you put your nice white ones on and you're not going anywhere?
My Yeezys?
Or your beach
Alright, I'll
ones.
put my Yeezys on. Oh yeah, because I'm not
I
gonna
want
be
you to
walking
wear
out.
them.
Okay.
I want you to wear them.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be walking like I'm gonna be on the water.
No.
And they have the boost on them, so they'll be soft for the boom. So we got the Yeezys. You already know, boys. We got the Yeezys. All right. I'm gonna find the plane right now. There it is.
Look, they made a P for Banjo. Or a backwards 9.
I'm filming this plane right now. Dad, I'm recording.
Oh, it's a ribbon. Look. It's a ribbon. It smells good. Sweet. Yeah.
Smells good, remember?
Whatever it is, it smells yummy.
Alright guys, so we got Jack going right now. He went straight over us. Guys, he just went straight over us.
That was so cool.
That was.
Mark McGrath from Sugar Ray is your host, playing 90s music with a motif. Yeah, we say teamwork. What is that gonna do?
So the last clip and this clip, they're the Blue Angels. I'm getting these two right here. These Where is he?
about burning fuel. Talk about burning fuel. Ow! That was like right, like it was like 30.
There was like 30 feet above us. I'm like using a towel to get us set from like covering the lens with a towel so it doesn't blur.
Guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. As you guys saw in yesterday's vlog, I didn't feel good. It's the next morning. I feel a little bit better. My nose is still running. I still feel like garbage, but I'm gonna push it out for you guys and still make the weekend really good. It's raining right now. It's actually current day. Me filming this outro. It's current day. It's raining out. I'm gonna end this vlog and start some bus vlogs. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Vlog on. Or vlog out. Roll the outro.